PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for 14th of July Monday. Is Plug Power stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this space has done 43,000 videos like this, I have seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. This is obviously not financial advice, more so just proof showing you that no one else has come even close to making this amount of volume. And because Plug Power ever since like around 13th of June, I was here, I took like 3 trades, which one was a loss and then I got 2 W's. W's, I have all the proof, you know, here's going to be where we kind of began. Here's the proof. 114 at the time, even for like just about 150 3 weeks ago. Not only did we reach this, man, I'm looking for just to double down since this thing is just delivering like crazy. Key part is if I have actually my rules met here, and if that's not the case, then bro, I'm not gonna buy. Very, very simple. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.